Hey guys, I hope you're ready because we are going to do a lot in today's video. This is a all day clean with me. We are going to do laundry, fold laundry, empty the trash can, clean the floors upstairs, clean the vacuum cleaner and clean the kitchen. Come get it done with me. If you have watched some of my previous videos, you must have heard me complain about the weather over here in Belgium, because we have had fall weather during summer for almost half of the summer. But now, in September, we suddenly have summer weather. So it is in the 30 degrees Celsius. So it is really the weather to go out and swim. And that's exactly what we did. We don't go swimming in a pool, but we always go to a lake that's very close to our house and always catch up with friends over there. But how is the weather where you are living, and where do you live? Where do you watch from?
Inside of me, it's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm when you hold me.
On camera, it doesn't really show how dirty the floors are, but just know that they are. Know that I don't have time to clean a dirty house. To clean a clean house.
When you're close, I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through. last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream. Really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold.
And now let's clean the vacuum cleaner. This one is from Bissell and it was much needed because we vacuumed a lot of fine dust with it from drilling holes into the wall. Outside as well as inside. In a minute I'm also going to rinse the filter and then you really see how black the water is. I don't know if you cleaned your vacuum cleaner recently, but you really need to do it if you didn't.
Oh, get warm when you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play.
Now that the hairs are removed from the brush and the filters are rinsed, I am going to wipe everything down with cleaning wipe. I am using the Blue Wonder wipes and they are very moist compared to wipes from other brands that I tried already, but I like that.
Later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the winter time. Fight for your love, can't slow me down, don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
We had some friends over for a barbecue yesterday and this is what I'm working with right now. I already put all of the dishes in the dishwasher last night, so that helps for now. So now I can start with unloading the dishwasher. I'm so glad I put the dishes in last night, even though it was very late, but it helps to get started now.
Just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like. but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be. Me and you, we're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Just let go.
It took a long time before everything was tidied up again, but I'm not going to show you until the end because there is some magic happening in 3, 2, 1.
Each other in the things we do, it's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. 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 Just let yourself go. Let yourself go.
Find time, just want the mood to be right. Keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I got a
I'm wiping down every island and table with a damp microfiber cloth, and after that I'm going to scrub the sink because you saw all the food residue laying in there, but we don't have a garbage disposal in Belgium. That is not allowed in our country, so I have to take it out of the sink and throw it in the trash. And by the way, I would like to ask you a question, and that is to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because you help me so much by doing so. Thank you in advance, and thanks for watching in general.
glimpse of a light is blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Is I know out to window, cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it.